Today we are going to make a very exciting dish. Actually, it's a traditional dish in Tanzania, and in Kiswahili it is called Mseto. We are just going to cook rice mixed with beans. I'll show you step by step on how to make it. But remember, we are still choosing brown rice. Don't stay away. Let's go step by step to make this exciting dish together. And please remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and turn on your notification button so that you will always get notified on our new exciting recipe. As we are going to cook Mseto rice, we need to make sure our beans are almost about to be cooked before we add our brown rice. So I'm going to put water and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Then I will add the rice on it. But you don't need to overcook the beans, so that at the moment that the beans are about to be cooked, that is when we are going to add our rice. And it has to be almost half cooked, so that when the rice get mixed with the beans, will take more about 10 to 15 minutes for it to be cooked. So let's cook our beans, and later we will add the rice. Now our beans are already almost cooked. Now we are going to add rice. I'll also add oil, salt, and onion together. So I'm going to add the rice first. I'm also going to put a little bit of oil. Then mix it well. As you can see, the rice is now I'm going to cover it for 15 minutes, then we'll be back. So now our rice is really cooking better, and we want to add onion so we can add flavor. As you can see, the rice is not full cooked, and remember we are using brown rice, which cook more long time. So I'm going to add my onions, and cover the rice again. You can see our rice is almost done. Our Mseto rice is almost done. As I told you, this is very delicious. Now, as you can see, our Mseto rice is ready. You can enjoy it with chicken, fish, or any main dish of your choice. Thank you so much for cooking with me from the beginning of our recipe. And this is our final product. I said it is called Mseto in Kiswahili, and we have used a very healthy type of rice, which is brown rice. So I hope you will enjoy it, and don't forget to share with your friend. Whoever wants to eat health, this is the good choice to go. Thank you, and see you next time.